Hello and welcome to our math lesson. Today we will practice our addition skills and write equations. Let's take a look at the first story here. We will be filling in the number bonds and completing the number sentences. Ricky has 10 space toys. He has 7 rockets and 3 astronauts. So let's look at our equation. It's starting with 10. That's the whole amount, the sum equals, and we just need the 2 parts. So there are 7 rockets and 3 astronauts. The equation to represent this picture can be 10 equals 7 plus 3. And over here we have our number bond. The whole amount is already filled in for us, 10, so the parts would need to go here. We have 7 rockets and 3 astronauts. But this isn't the only equation that would match this information. Let's take a look at some other ways. Here we have the equation 10 equals 3 plus 7. It's almost like this one. 10 equals 7 plus 3. Just the addends have switched order. Because it wouldn't matter if you started counting at the astronauts and went up to the top rocket, you still would get the number 10. How about another way? Here's another equation to represent this information. You could start with the addends and have the sum come at the end. 7 plus 3 equals 10. What do you think this equation will be? Here we go. It's 3 plus 7 equals 10. Just like before, you can just switch the order of the addends when you add. So it could be 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7. And either way, your sum would be 10. Let's take a look at the next one. Bianca has 4 pigs and 6 sheep on her farm. She has 10 animals all together. And there they are in picture form. Let's take a look at our equation. Oh, I notice it's the plus sign first, not the equal sign. In this equation, it was the equal sign first. So the whole amount came at the beginning. But this equation is showing the equal sign near the end. So the whole amount or the sum would come at the end. And the parts would each go where the plus sign is. So there are 4 pigs and 6 sheep. And the sum is 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And here we have the number bond. So think where that whole amount would go. The whole number, the sum. In this number bond, it goes up here, 10. And the other parts are for the addends. The 4 pigs and the 6 sheep. Now, like we did up above, here's one equation, 4 plus 6 equals 10. And now here's the other way you could do it. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Just switching the order of the addends. And you could start with the sum. Start with the whole amount equals. 10 equals 4 plus 6. So what do you think this equation will be? Here we go. 10 equals 6 plus 4. So we could have one story problem and actually have 4 different equations to write about it. Are you ready for some fun? We are going to play a game. So if you're able to, while you're watching this video, you're going to be standing up because you're going to be doing some stretching and bending. I have down here some number sentences. Sometimes the sum will be 9 and sometimes the sum will be 10. If you think the sum is 9, you're going to stretch up like this boy here and maybe hold up 9 fingers. If you think the sum is 10, then you're going to bend down with all 10 of your fingers to touch your toes or touch the ground. And after we do each one, the ready position is just standing up with your hands at your side. So, ready? You should be standing up with your hands at your side. Ready? 8 plus 1. I hope you're stretching up for 9. 6 plus 4. Bending down for 10. 5 plus 4. I hope you're stretching up for 9. Ready? 0 plus 9. Stretching up for 9. Ready? That means standing up with your hands at your side. 1 plus 9. Bending down for 10. 2 plus 7. Stretching up for 9. Ready? 3 plus 7. Bending down for 10. Ready? 7 plus 3. Bending down for 10. Ready? 8 plus 2. Bending down for 10. Ready? 5 plus 5. Bending down for 10. Ready? 6 plus 3. Stretching up for 9. Ready? 2 plus 8. Stretching down for 10. Ready? 7 plus 2. Nine. Ready? 3 plus 6. Nine. Ready? 10 plus 0. 10. Ready? 1 plus 8. Stretching up for 9. Excellent job. If you enjoyed playing that game, you can always replay the video and maybe you'll be answering faster and faster. I hope you had fun. Let's see what's next. Now it's that time for you to get your paper, pencil, and coloring supplies. Here are 2 story problems for you to work on today. Aside from trying your best to read the story problem on your own and drawing the picture that will match it, you need 2 equations to match this math story. So try to read the story on your own, draw the pictures that will match the story, and then write the 2 equations that will go with it. If you need help reading the story problems, I'm sure there's a grown-up in your family that can help you, or a big brother or sister. We look forward to seeing your work. Have a good day.